Please download these two files. And today we are working on this file, and this is the template. If you don't have it on your PC, you can copy the template. I will tell you if you have a problem. Please tell me, and I will tell you that where you should copy this.
Yeah.
And for your final exam, you need to listen to review 1 and review 2. And you can practice. And if you want to go more deep in this subject, in the Civil 3D, you need to study this book and practice more and more. And it is useful for your career in the future. Today, please open this file, 1501. We have 2 alignments on this file. Or 3 elements. And we want to go to output and work in plan production. To create view frames, we can create some frames on your alignment. And after that, we can create sheets like this. And finally, you should can create some PDF file for printing your project. By going to create view frames, you can see that we have created view frames alignment. At first, we are in alignment, and we need to choose the alignment. We can choose it here, or we can go here and select this one. You can change the station range, or you can put it on automatic. The station starts from 0 to 1594. You can change it. And by going next, you can see that you can change the sheet settings. We can have plan and profile, or plans only. Top and bottom, both of them are plan, and or profiles only. Both of them will be profiles. And I can select plan and profile. One of them is profile, and the other is plan. And we can select a template for plan and profile sheet, and that file that we already shared with, this file, it is a template. And maybe you have it on your system. You can see you have some templates, and for this file, I want to select this. Plan and profile, 20 scale. And you can change the view frame placement, align alignment, sorry, or rotate to north, like this. And you can set the first view frame before the start of the alignment, or you can put here a number. You can go further. You can change its name, layer, style, and label style. You can go next. And here it's about match lines. You can change the positioning of the match line, or you can go next. And because we have selected here plan and profile, we have profile views here. You can change the profile view. For example, I want to select landscape profile view. And you can create view frames. So you can see that we have 4 frames here. You can rotate it, or you can move it. I can do this again for this alignment. For creating some frames, you need to go to Output and create view frames. At first, we need to select the alignment. I can go to Drawing and select the alignment. This is the name of the alignment. And you can change the station range, or you can put it on automatic. We can go next by going to Sheets. We can change that we can select that what we have, what we want to have on the sheet. For example, plan and profile, or plans only, or profiles only. And you can select the template. You can change it to any scale, 40, 50. And you can change the view frame placement. You can change it to rotate to north. In view frame group, you can change the group name and the style, label style, layer. And by going to match line, you can change properties of match line. And in profile view, you can change the profile view, for example, full green. And here I have 5 frames, and they are located by the north direction.
What are all those names? What are they for?
For create sheets. We want to create some sheets. We want to have plan and profile view on that sheet. You can go to create sheets and create some sheets. Now you need to create some frames at first, and after that I will tell you how to create sheets. Please create some frames on these 3 alignments.
Well, it was the middle one. She did the middle one.
Which one?
This one.
I think
I don't know. I guess you could do it.
this one?
The bottom. It's here.
Where is this?
There. The red line. Red. No. Next. Yeah. And then you click on this thing. Did you download the other ones? Did you download the template?
Yes.
Okay, then go here. Go to your downloads. Wherever you put it. Yeah. Oh. Okay, press OK.
Still?
Okay. No, my
Need to prove, okay?
And finally, it will be the result for your sheet.
No.
This is the plan, and this is the profile, and this is the template that you have chosen in that part.
Okay.
If you select another template with different style, you will have a different size of frame. This is the alignment. Here you can create aligned alignment or rotate to north. And here, if you choose, for example, 40 or 50, you can see that you have just two frames, two big frames. And that's because of the scale. And now we want to create some sheets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 frames here. And we want to create some sheets. We need to go to Output, Plan Production, and Create Sheets. Here we have one frame group. You can see it here, your frame groups. You can select it, and you can change the frame range. For example, we can choose view frames here. Sometimes we want, maybe we want just 2 or 3 or 1 frame for creating a sheet. And sometimes we have all of them. We want all of them. You need to select all, or you can select them here. 1, 2, and we have 3. Select all. The next one is layout creation. You can change number of layouts per new drawing, and it should be less than 10 or less than 10 in one drawing. And you can create all layouts in one new drawing or in this current drawing. I will test all of them for you. And you can change the layout name, and we can have the north arrow in all sheets. You can go next. In sheet set, we can add to existing sheet set or new sheet set. You can change the storage location. And sheet file name, it's not very important. You can go next. And it's about the profile view. You can change the profile view, align views. And in data references part, you can select what you want to have on your sheets. For example, I want to have surface, EG and FG, or I want to have profile, EG and FG. And by create sheets, AutoCAD will save your file. Press OK and click here.
Click where?
Now you can see that we have 4 sheets. This is sheet 1. This is the template. This is the scale. We can add some data here. And this is the plan, and this is profile view. This is the next one. Third and fourth. So we can, for sheets in new 4 file. And if you want to add some layouts in your file, you can go to create sheet, select view frame group. Maybe you want just 2 of them. You can go to selection and select number 2 and 3, press OK. And you can have all layouts in current drawing. Go to the next and create sheet. I click here. You can see that beside model, next to model, we have layout and sheet 5 and sheet 6. So we can add 2 layouts in the current drawing. And if you want to add the project data, you can click here. You can see that you have some values. You can change it here. For example, you can add an address and project name here. You can change the name of the project here. You can change the date and scale. And this is sheet number 1. And this is sheet number 2. And if you want to work on your model, you can go find your model here. This is layout 1. There are 2 new sheets. You can go to model. And we can create some sheets from this alignment. Create view frames. You can select this. We can select plans only. And we can have them alignment. Go to the next and create. Here we have just one frame. And that's because of the scale. In creating a sheet, you can go to output, create sheets. You can select your new group. You can select it here. We have just one frame. You can select all, or you can select it from selection. You can go to the next. And we don't have profile here because I've chosen just plans. And they can create sheets. So we can see that we have a new layout here, sheet 7. And you can see that we have just plan here. And you can change these data. Add data here, double click, select what you want to change, and change it here in the value. And we have north here. You can go to model by using model here. We can create another frame by using this alignment. Go to the next. I want to select profile only. Change the scale to 20. And rotate to north. Now I can see that we have 3 frames. We can go to create sheet. Select the frame group. This group, this is the name of alignment. And you can change the layout creation options. We can have our layout in the current drawing like this. You have model here and you have some layouts here. And you can have our layout in one new drawing. Go to the next. You can add some data, references that you want. And create sheet. Click here. Now you can see that you can find your sheets here, 8, 9, and 10. You can click on them and open it. And here we have just profile. And here we have plan and profile. Profile view. And this is the original file. You can find some layouts here. Now we have some layouts, we have some sheets, and we want to print them. We need to press Ctrl and T. Then you can continue to plot a single sheet. Here you can, we want to create a PDF file. At first, we can go to DWG to PDF, printer or plotter path. We can select the paper size. For example, we can if we want to have the same scale in the paper, we need to select this paper, 36 to 24 inches. And if we change the paper, we will have another scale.
How do you open the plot sheet again?
Press Ctrl and P.
Control P, okay. And then continue.
It means print. Yes, continue. By going to printer or plotter name, you can change it to DWG to PDF. Now in paper size, if you want to have this scale, 120 in your paper, you need to select this paper. And if you change it to, for example, A4 or A3, the scale will change. And you need to select this one, Arctic 90, 24, 36 inches, to have this scale.
Earlier, the 36 was on the left side, 24 on the right side.
You can change landscape or portrait.
You understand the yellow on that right now.
You can select Arc D 3624 and use landscape. And you can select layout and you can select grayscale or monochrome. If you have any colorful thing on your paper and you want to have just black and white, you can change it to grayscale or monochrome. I select grayscale And by preview, you can see that it will be your paper in your PDF file. And you can select it from the window. When you select plot area, when you select window instead of layout, you can go to the window and select your area. And by going to preview, you can see what you will print. And you can change it to none and see the color. If you change it to monochrome, you can see the black and white version. If you change it to portrait, okay. And if you change the paper size to A3, you need to select fit to paper. You can see here. This is when I choose portrait, the rest of paper will empty. And when I choose landscape, it will be fit to paper. By going to preview, you can see that. But this scale is not true. And when we select it from the window, it's better to check center the plot. And we have equal margin. We center the plot. When we select layout, it is off. You can change it here. And when we select window, we need to click on the window here and go to the drawing, go to the layout. Select the area and center the plot. By preview, you can see that we have equal margin. And for printing or save it as a PDF file, you need to right click on that plot. You can change your destination, change its name, and the format of the file is PDF, and you can save it. Now you can find your file here. So you can create some frames. After that, create some sheets. And now you can create some PDF files for printing them. Now you can create some PDF files from your sheets.